I'm back. My eye's burning a little bit. I don't know what's happening. Today I'm gonna be trying out Autumn Girl makeup since it's fall. It's been a while since I did like a makeup video, so I thought I'd do one today. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna add some foundation. Concealer. Next I'm gonna add some contour. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, next I'm just gonna add some powder. I'm gonna add some highlights. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade. Okay, next I'm gonna use some of this shade. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this eyeliner in the bottom here. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Lip liner. Lip gloss. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more concealer. Some more blush. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the look. Pretty simple, not too much. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.